Okay, the two people with me now, I don't really need to tell you who they are. Look at these lovely people.
Hi, I'm Alia.
Hi, I'm Alia.
हेलो जी, मैं हूँ हम्टी शर्मा.
हेलो जी, मेरा नाम है काव्य प्रताप सिंह.
Okay, so you guys have obviously guessed that this is Humpty Sharma ki Dulhania. Is she the Dulhania?
We don't
know. We'll know on July 11th. Hopefully, but ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत लड़कियाँ चूज करने मेरे को मिलती नहीं है ज़्यादा पिक्चर में.
But okay, before we start talking about this film, Humpty Dumpty क्या कहते हैं पूरा?
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. सबको यही पता है. देखा मिस्टेक. July 11th.
Poem has only 4 lines, of which they know only 2 lines.
No.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
And all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty. Yes.
That's it.
Yeah, correct. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall, and all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty back on the wall again.
Well done, Alia.
10 on 10. 10 on 10. 10 on 10.
I was always a good poem.
I was always a good poem.
No, I was always a good writer.
You know, every time she makes a mistake, she'll come like, Varun. Every time she does well, she will not acknowledge me. She'll walk
You
away.
didn't let me.
I'm right.
You didn't let me finish.
She's still in the 2 states mode. I'm a good poem.
No, I'm not. I was always a good poem reciter.
I do good poetry.
Yeah.
Recitation was my forte.
Okay.
Whoa.
Humpty Sharma, you.
Hanji, sir.
The last time the two of you were together, you didn't get the girl.
I didn't get the girl.
But this time, hopefully, you will. But how was it coming back with the beautiful Alia Bhatt?
It was wonderful, but I mean, I'm not afraid of saying this, that we both do have a love-hate kind of a relationship, which is very true. We do fight a lot, actually. We do fight a lot, and there have been times when Karan has come in and said that, hold it together and stop bickering, and because we get along very well as well.
Yeah.
We get along very well, but we do fight a lot as well, and Alia gets a claws out and stuff. I don't know, why do you fight?
Is she too close for comfort?
She is too close for comfort. No, she gets pissed with me. I've realized that she doesn't. You don't get pissed with me.
You don't get pissed with me.
I do, but on certain things which I will not say on national television.
Then I will not say.
Okay.
Okay. Now that you guys have said whatever you had to say, Alia, how was it to come back and work with someone like Varun?
See, when we were doing Student of the Year, we were all so nervous. We didn't know what we were doing. At least I didn't know what I was doing. So after doing, like, he did another film, I did 2 films, and we came together. I think we both a little more comfortable in having fun with the scenes. And also, as you said, we didn't really come together in Student of the Year, but here we come together now, but we have really interesting scenes. So we would like to have fun while doing it and everything. Yeah. And yes, we do have a love-hate relationship, but I think Humpty and Kavya also like that. They're like best friends who fight. They're very like Mufat, and we both are like that. And how much ever he denies it, we both are exactly the same people. Similar.
Are you singing in this one?
Even I am a poetry.
You're a poem.
You're a poem.
I'm not singing in this one.
You're not singing, but are you?
I am
He is
actually,
singing.
I am.
What are you doing?
Revelation! Varun Dhawan is singing in Humpty Sharma ki Dulhania.
Not singing, more like
He's
rapping.
rapping.
He's a rapper.
He's
I'm a rapper.
Let's unwrap it and come on.
एक थोड़ा bit है जो मैंने किया है गाने में. That song is not released, so I cannot break it right now.
Okay, so we will talk about it.
Give you all the info.
We will give you all the info.
Again, he's taking me as an inspiration. He's following my footsteps. He's singing in like.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Not at all. She's a very, very good singer and very talented. I've trained her a
Yes,
lot
she is.
during Student of the Year to reach where she has, and she's done well.
Varun would make me forget it.
So tell, say na.
He makes me sing all his favorite songs. Sing na Alia, sing. So on the promotion, he'll make me sing songs. Which song yaad aa rahi hai is his favorite.
But you guys have like this special bond with Saturday, especially you, Varun. I mean, your last film was Shanivar Ratri, and now this is Saturday. Saturday, what is happening?
I did that interview with you only.
Yes,
correct.
You sang that Shanivar Ratri, but now this is Saturday. This film will release on a Friday, but the song is Saturday. Gaa ke suno, please, thank you. I like your tattoo, but
Thank you. That's
Yeah,
for the song.
the
That's for the
song.
song
Can't
as
see.
well.
Acha, you can't see. Oh.
Sneak peek.
But did The Rock like that tattoo?
Do you,
Have you heard about
Dwayne Johnson.
Have you heard
That
about
is
Dwayne
so
Johnson?
cool. Okay, I don't know if our viewers know, but
Can we just show this? Come on. I thought you can
this
show
is
the
not-
tattoo.
it's
Yeah,
a-
come
when
on.
is it airing?
You can show this because
Okay.
the pictures are out.
This is
Yeah,
the
the pictures
tattoo.
are out. Show
It's a
the
sneak
left.
peek. It's okay. कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं दिखाना.
Why is that sun god like?
It's basically it's
दिखाना है.
basically it shows the Samoans do it, and it basically tells the story of their life, and it's very very sacred to them. So what I did, I got one done for me, and from where you come, you have to do it in their literature. So there's a lot of research that went into it, and Dwayne is a hero of mine. I've said it even before, and actually what's really special is that he acknowledged it and he tweeted back to me.
Yeah. He said it's.
Yeah, The Rock was really happy. He said something like, "Powerful story, powerful gestures, and a very powerful language, my friend." Is what he said.
Well, brother also he said.
Brother.
It's a big deal, yeah. I was so thrilled. I felt like he tweeted me. Because I know how much he loves The Rock. It's so exciting, no? When somebody does that.
Okay, it's also cool, but that Humphrey sounds so wrong.
Yeah, does it? It sounds so right, but it
I
looks
came
so
up with
right.
it.
It looks so right.
It looks so right.
I love Humphrey. Who came up with that?
Alia.
This lady.
Oh, great. I could not.
You just thought it's my idea. I don't know why. But ये cheap idea इस आदमी का होगा.
Imagine you go up to a girl and say, "I want a Humphrey with you," means what?
I want a Humpy, madam, please.
It's Humphrey Sharma ki Dulhania selfie, so it's a Humphrey. Come on, Thapa, you have to put a little more thought into it from the heart.
I mean, it's still better than Humpy.
From the heart. It's a Humphrey.
If you take a selfie with Thapa, it'll be called a Thapi.
It'll be a
Thapi.
Thapi. Like Humpty is not Humpy. It'll be a Thapi.
Family show.
Anyway, well, thank you so much. And these lovely, great, fun, mad people are going to be on the sets of Night Out
Sounding
on
like you're paid to
the
say these
9th.
things. Sounding like you're paid.
I am paid for this. Believe me.
Meaning we have paid you.
Oh no, like,
No, he genuinely
is
paid
that a
you.
possibility? See, I'm highly corruptible.
I'm trying to find some money.
We are
Oh, no,
pure
you might
people.
find something
We
else.
are
No.
pure people. क्या तुम लोग joke? What are you joking about?
But these lovely people are going to be on the sets of Night Out very soon. The new and improved Night Out with a new film
By the way,
from
let me
Alia Bhatt. Don't fight! Don't!
Night Out is very
I can't do this with these people fighting like.
Night Out is where we came for the first time.
Yeah.
To promote over there as well. Thapa.
The camera is there, but
Sorry. Night Out is where we came to promote Student of the first time
And
we
we launched
launched.
Ishqwala Love and now we're launching. Now we're just coming to chill.
Saturdays. Yeah, we just come to chill and talk rubbish. Guys, that's what we do. We just talk crap.
हम सिर्फ चिल्लाने आ रहे हैं Night Out में. So this is where these lovely people are going to come on the sets of Night Out on Monday, which is the 9th of June. The film releases when?
What are you doing? We're on a show.
July 11th.
But this is a woman's perfume. This is the scent of a woman.
This is a whole. It is. Sorry, this was my trade secrets which you have robbed me of.